Hey, Tanya.
What's up, John?
I tell you what's up. Carnival banned more items.
Stay tuned and we'll tell you what those items are.
All right, so, man, we've been busy for the holidays. My work schedule, Tanya's cooking like a fiend, making candy and all kinds of stuff for Thanksgiving over the in-laws, my parents' house. So,
yeah, we did all the cooking and took it over there.
Yeah, that's pretty fun. That was pretty funny. Yeah, we did a couple
on my birthday.
Yeah, and Tanya's birthday
it's
too.
All right. It's
yeah.
all right. It was good. I enjoy cooking anyway. So.
Yeah, that was pretty funny. Hey, come on over for Thanksgiving.
But bring everything.
But you're cooking.
That's all right.
It's all good. So, let's get into it. Carnival banned a couple more items. But let's refresh what you cannot bring on a cruise, on Carnival Cruise Line. You cannot bring any weapons of any sort, toy weapons.
And you might laugh thinking, who's going to be stupid enough to bring that? But there has been cases of people bringing weapons on the ship.
Yeah. And it doesn't matter if it's toy guns that look like a weapon or toy knives. Nope, can't do it. Also, you cannot bring any kind of cannabis, weed, hashish,
people
whatever.
do that too.
Even if it's legal, like in Michigan, Colorado, and I think in the state of Washington, I'm not sure, but even though if your state legalizes it, you cannot bring legal drugs, marijuana, cocaine, and other legal drugs on a cruise line. So that's that about the drugs. Other items you cannot bring on is any household appliances, like a hot plate,
irons,
toasters, and any kind of heating blankets, water heaters.
And no more fans. You can't bring fans.
Right. Coffee machine, hot plates, toasters, heating pads, and humidifiers. You cannot bring that on a cruise ship. They'll take it away. All right. And here's another one for adult people. You cannot bring any kind of handcuffs or bondage on a cruise.
Don't pack it.
Leave it home. Don't pack it. All right? Don't pack it. Whatever you do.
They'll confiscate it.
Whatever you do in your adult life is your choice. And I'm not judging anyone.
Hate to see you get it taken away from you. That's all.
Get it taken away. Also, you cannot put a shower curtain, make your own drapes up to have a dividers anymore.
Which is what we used to do, because sometimes we'd have my stepson with us.
Which I think is bogus.
And we would put magnets on the ceiling.
Right.
And we always took it down during the day for them when they cleaned and stuff. But you can't have that up there. You can, however, bring the magnetic clip or magnetics and hang hats from the walls and stuff, but nothing on the ceilings, no curtains.
I think the drape thing is just a little bit too extreme, Then put curtains in every room. That's what I'm saying, so you can divide it like all the cruise lines.
Especially if you're allowing more than two people in that cabin.
Yeah.
Because you want your privacy, somewhat anyway.
Absolutely. Now you can add these items to the list of new banned items. You cannot bring any boombox radio, Bluetooth radio, speakers, or anything that can make loud music noise. You can wear
this
your
is Carnival
earbuds.
now. I'm sorry, I don't know if we mentioned that, but this is on Carnival that's banning all these items are banned from Carnival.
Yes. You can wear your earbuds, that's fine. But if it's noise, music, noise, whatever, and someone, you can't do it. You can't bring it. Now, I was going to say if someone complains. No, not even that. You cannot bring any of those type of music items on the cruise, period. Didn't you show me that someone threw something overboard or something? Is that you?
There was some video I was watching on the Facebook thing for Carnival that someone went and threw a Bluetooth speaker because they were playing it loud either on the Lido or some area of the ship.
Yeah.
And so someone walked up and threw it overboard. I'm not sure which cruise line though or what I heard, but I did see it. And there was a video posted of it, of someone throwing it over.
That's extreme. That's extreme.
I wouldn't step in and do that. You know what?
Ask the person.
The Carnival is the fun ship. There's going to be
Right.
loud music everywhere. I can understand bringing the Bluetooth speakers, like not being allowed to bring them maybe on the Lido because you got someone sitting next to you. Maybe they don't like your music or it's loud. But I don't understand why you couldn't have them in your cabin. I do know that people do play them loud and those walls are thin. So I can understand, but I don't agree with the whole can't have them at all. But that's Carnival. So
Yeah.
it's supposed to be the fun ship, but they're taking away a lot of things. And not only that, they've now...
No, hang on.
Oh, you want me to wait on that? Okay.
Not just yet. So, John Hill, I know what you're going to say, but we're going to...
Okay, we'll hold off on
John
that.
Hill addressed this about the boom boxes, the Bluetooth, and he said, I love serenading, but on the Miracle in September, people were bringing speakers and blasting them loud. That's what kind of did that. So, you know what? I don't know. You know, I don't mind
It all
it.
boils down to respect, though. People,
Right.
you know, I would say it's the people, you lost these privileges to have this stuff because of your lack of respect for others that are around you. And that's what it boils down to. I mean, I don't have anything against the Bluetooth, like I said, but you lose that right when you impose that on somebody else. That's
So let me reiterate. I said Serenade. No, that was in the Serenity. Sorry about that. They were in the Serenity blasting music. Okay, Serenity is supposed to be a place where you're supposed to be calm, quiet, and everything else. And they did ask them, hey, turn off your music. So the crew did ask them to turn off the music, and just
I can see how that probably went. Yeah.
I think, you know, I'm torn about this because if someone wants to bring their music on board, I get it. You know, some people might not like reggae music or island music or country
rap.
music or rap.
Yeah.
You know, there's all kinds of genres of music. And if you want to listen to your music and it's a little bit too loud,
Put some allow the
well,
earbuds.
not
then.
even that. You know, if it's a little bit too loud, hey, can you please turn down your music just a little bit? And if they give you any kind of
But that's
hassle,
probably what happened.
Well-
They gave him a hard time, and this is why it's banned now.
yeah, you know,
I can see some people on the cruise doing that.
you can go to the crew and ask the crew, hey, can you tell these people to turn it down? Or ships are big. Just get up, walk away. It's not worth it. It's just not worth it sometimes. Okay.
But you shouldn't
Okay.
have to get up and walk away. though.
You're right.
Here's my point. This cruise ship is for everyone to enjoy, okay? You shouldn't have to get up from your seat and move because someone's playing their music loud. It, like I said, it's respect. Show respect. You know, maybe they shouldn't have banned it. Maybe they should just say, "Hey, you gotta wear your earbuds." You know, and
Or
you can't have it loud.
you
I
can-
can understand having earbuds. Okay, confiscate it after an offense was made. That
Yeah.
you know,
Or how
then
about this?
confiscate it.
Yes, you
but
can-
if you can go, but that's not what they're saying. They're saying it's banned completely. So
Or what about this? Yes, you can bring your Bluetooth radios on, but only in your cabins.
yeah,
I'd
but
go with that.
then again, you got like Kayla and Olivia playing the music pretty loud.
Well, then that's when the
But
crew.
that's where I say take it away.
Right.
And but I'm saying give people a chance because not everybody that goes on a cruise ship that wants to bring their stuff to enjoy is going to disrespect others.
Right.
So
I think we covered that pretty good.
yeah.
So you're gonna say something. So
Yeah, so also, for those of you that don't already know, the pineapples, the upside down pineapples that people are putting on their doors, those are banned. Do not put magnets, pineapples of any kind on your doors.
The crew will take
Because
them.
even if you bring a regular pineapple magnet and you put it upright, someone on that ship is going to turn it upside down and then you're going to get banned or confiscated.
So if you don't
Yeah,
know what an
confiscated.
upside down pineapple
Be
is,
careful how you say this.
I
'cause
will.
We're on YouTube.
So, upside down pineapple is for alternative lifestyle of swinging. Okay, whatever you do, like I said, is your choice. I don't condone it. I don't condemn it. I'm neutral to
we
it.
stay out of it.
Yeah, I'm neutral to it. So it's your choice. If you're grown-ups and you choose to do that lifestyle, that's your lifestyle. But Carnival's saying, hey, any kind of adult symbol of that nature, they're going to confiscate it, and is no go.
Yeah.
We were on a cruise once, and it was innocent. We had all kinds of Hawaiian.
So it was Hawaiian
It was
magnets.
a Hawaiian thing. We had aloha and
yeah,
this, that, and we had a pineapple.
Yeah, I had like the girls with the skirts, little magnets, all from
But
Hawaii.
every time we leave our doors, probably someone joking around, turn the pine out.
This was before we knew what
Right.
the upside down pineapple even meant.
So
we had no clue.
Every time we left our room, the pineapple was upside down.
We come back and I was getting so upset.
Then my son's laughing. He goes,
No, he wasn't with us.
No?
If you're going to tell the story, let me tell it.
Okay, sorry.
He wasn't with us. This had gone on all week where the pineapple, somebody would flip it upside down and I would flip it back. And then I'd start to get upset. So I'd flip it back. And then each time we came back, and we also had a magnet on our door, which we usually cruise with. And it's a magnet of us with our cruise channel, our YouTube channel on it. Well, this had gone on all week, and Josh had given us a call. I think it was my phone to get a hold of you.
Yeah.
And I had told him what was going on all week, and he goes, "You don't know what that means."
He was laughing.
And he's laughing, and as soon as he told us what that means, I went out there and took all the magnets down. I threw away the pineapple magnet, and that was the end of that.
Yeah.
But it was kind of funny, and now it's the joke of my best friend and I. It's the joke of us. I get little everything. When she sees a pineapple, she messages me or sends me pictures. It's just a funny thing now to us, but
So no upside down
yeah.
pineapple magnets on the door or any kind of symbol of adult fun of that nature will be taken away.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Yep.
So, I know people are saying Carnival to no fun ship, but hey, you know what? It's still fun.
Yeah.
It's just simple rules. You are with other people.
You make the best of it, and you find other things to do. Just, don't do the things that disrespect others or disrespect other cruisers to get things banned again.
And here's the thing,
do what you got to do. But
here's the thing, too. If you're in that adult lifestyle of swinging, there is a swinging cruise, and they contract out that ship.
We actually did a video on that. We didn't go personally on it because we are not swingers by any means. So for those of you who have seen our door with the upside down pineapple, we are not swingers.
Or who was interested in swinging, get a hold of a travel agent. They can tell you what ship is chartered for that week of pure swinging. Mm-hmm. Or
and that comes with another whole set of rules.
Yeah. That's they're not saying no more swinging, but except on
it's like called the big something
cruise.
Ship. We did do a video about it, so if you check our channel, our videos, you'll see it.
Yeah. So I think we covered that pretty good about the pineapple.
If we missed anything that's banned, because I know like some of the plugs, did we cover that? Like some of those, you can't bring extension cords.
Right, no extension cords.
That's banned.
No strips.
Yep, you can't bring strips anymore.
No. You can bring the converter of the 220 European.
We're just trying to make sure we cover
220 to 110. But yeah, you can't do it. Can't do it. Simple as that.
Yep. So if you know of anything else that we missed, comment below. Let our viewers and subscribers know if we've missed something. Also, comment below your thoughts on this.
Oh.
What do you think about this?
Don't try to smuggle in alcohol because they're cracking down on that too.
Oh yeah.
So.
Or weed because they are having the sniffing dogs now at the check-ins. So.
Yep. All right. I think on that note, we're gonna wrap this video up, and we're gonna say, love you, and see you on the next video side.
Take care, all. Bye-bye.
Bye now.